Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Trend TV. This is Viprajesh. Maruti Suzuki have officially launched their second generation Celerio compact hatchback starting from Rs 4.99 lakh ex-showroom. And now all the details regarding the exterior, interior and the features have been revealed. Replacing the existing Celerio, this new second generation model will be larger in size while also offering more features. Just like all latest Maruti Suzuki cars, the new Celerio will also be based on the same Heartect platform, and going by all the photos and videos, the exterior design will feature a lot of design elements borrowed from other Maruti Suzuki cars, while also featuring organic curves. On the inside, the dashboard layout and design will be completely new. However, the second generation Celerio will also borrow a lot of parts and features from other Maruti Suzuki cars. The top spec Celerio will offer features such as a 7-inch Smart Play Studio touchscreen system with reverse parking camera, steering mounted audio controls, with the steering design similar to the WagonR, an LCD multi-information display, smart key access with push button start, all 4 power windows, electronically adjustable and foldable ORVMs, a height adjustable driver seat, front fog lamps, rear windshield wiper washer with defogger and 15-inch alloy wheels. This new Celerio will get a more updated version of the 1-liter 3-cylinder K-series engine we have seen on the Maruti Suzuki Espresso, which is also expected to be launched with the CNG option. This engine will produce 67 PS of maximum power and 89 Nm of maximum torque through either a 5-speed manual gearbox or a 5-speed AMT. Maruti Suzuki also claims that this new second generation Celerio will be the most fuel efficient petrol car in India, with a claimed efficiency figure of more than 26.6 km per litre without the CNG option. Due to the larger dimensions, the new Celerio will be more spacious than the existing one in terms of rear seat space and boot space as well. This new Celerio claims to offer 313 litres of luggage space, with the mid-spec and top-spec variants also getting 60-40 split folding rear seats. Talking about pricing, the new second generation Celerio starts from Rs 4.99 lakh ex-showroom for the LXI manual, going all the way up to Rs 6.44 lakh ex-showroom for the ZXI Plus manual. The AMT range on the other hand starts from Rs 6.13 lakh ex-showroom for the VXI AMT, going all the way up to Rs 6.94 lakh ex-showroom for the top spec ZXI Plus AMT. So going by these prices, the new Celerio competes against the likes of the Tata Tiago and the Hyundai Santro, and will be positioned lower to the Swift and the Baleno. So stay tuned for our detailed reviews of the new second generation Maruti Suzuki Celerio. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this new second generation Celerio. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.